Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our JMS Kids School. And I'm your teacher, Lucy. So today, on this video, we're going to learn 10 different animals' names. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe for more content. So let's begin. Alright, my students. So tell me which animal it is. Tiger. That's very good. So tell me, tiger. That's very nice. Alright, so tell me which animal it is. Dog. That's very good. Dog. Alright, so tell me which animal it is. Lion. That's very good. Lion. That's fantastic. Okay, so tell me which animal it is. Cat. That's very good. Cat. Okay, so now tell me which animal it is. Zebra. That's very good. Zebra. Okay, so tell me now which animal it is. Crocodile. That's very good. That's fantastic. Crocodile. Okay, so now tell me which animal it is. Giraffe. That's very good. Giraffe. Oh, by the way, I love giraffe. Okay, so now tell me which animal it is. Elephant. That's very good. Elephant. Alright, my dear students, so now we have just only 2 animals left. Okay, so tell me which animal it is. Monkey. That's very good. Monkey. I really like this animal. Okay, so our 10th animal is cow. Come on, repeat after me. Cow. That's very good. Alright, so that's brilliant. Alright, my dear students, that's enough for today. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys learned very well, so just keep practicing at your home. I will see you to the next video, and obviously don't forget to like and subscribe for more.